In this video, I'll be showing you how to use YouTube Audio Library. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's actually very simple to go ahead and do this. And you can do it on anything that you're using. So the first thing you want to do is open up YouTube on whatever device you're using. Then from here on the top right, go ahead and click your profile icon, then click on YouTube Studio like so. Now, once you're on YouTube Studio, on the left, you're going to see this audio library option. So just go ahead and click on that. Now, this is your audio library. You're going to see a bunch of different music here, which you're going to be allowed to use in any of the videos that you're creating. You can filter it by genre if you want to, mood, artist, duration if you're looking for something, and you can even search for something specific here. Now, you're going to see attribution not required or attribution required. Attribution required basically means that you're gonna have to give credit to whoever music you're using, whether it's an artist, a studio, or anything like that. Attribution not required basically means you're not gonna have to give anything like that. So you can basically just use the music in your videos, and then that's it. You'll be fine to use it. And it says no attribution required right here. You can even see the license type over here. But once you find something you like, all you got to do is go ahead and click download, and it's going to download straight over to your PC. You can put it in whatever videos you want, and then you'll be good to go. If you want to as well, you can play the audio track with that. You can even star it, and then you can find your starred music right here too. Also, if you want to look for sound effects, you can also find them too. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.